So guys, today we're gonna play Roblox. Okay? Getting really musty here. I wanna play. Don't press the button X. Probably this is going to be a fun game. Fun game. Okay? Hey! Angry me, friend? Can't tell you that. So there's gonna be lava. Really quick. But guys, do you love my new rock button? What kind of? Yep, it's a bad one. Do you prefer button in a bar? Good boss. That was not what I expected. I'm in the ear. It's not so sour. And do you prefer that? Do you prefer button in the brass? Okay. Okay. This is annoying. Bacon here. Sorry for you. Yeah, that's gone. Okay. Guys, what the heck are you doing? Okay. Girl, you got this. Girl. Got this. Yes. You got another team rocking up here. Yeah, one person's up there. Two persons up there. Get it in. No! A toilet? Who even wants to be in a... Oh, don't hold up. Yeah, you got you real nasty. Nah. There you go, real nasty. Get away from me. Clear away. Yes. Easy peasy lemon, please. Okay. everybody, girl. My way. My way. Thank God everybody knows this trick because I'm gonna die. Girl, how did you get that? Oh, because you have to be impassive. Oh my God. Whoa. Now you better get off there. Oh, you're not. Oh, yeah. You're gonna die. You're gonna die. You're gonna die. Yes. I knew she was gonna die. Hello, nice bacon here. I wanna send you a friend request. You kind of look like boy X285.